In this video, we'll be showing you how to create a self-serve stream in CloudStreams. This allows your client to set their own search criteria for their new home. It's useful when you don't have all the search criteria information handy, but your client knows exactly what they're looking for. Let's get started. From your CloudStreams dashboard, click Create a new stream. You'll be presented with two options for setting criteria. Click Self-Serve. Here, you'll be prompted to add your client's contact information so an invitation can be sent out to set up their stream. Then click Send. Your client will receive their stream invitation via email. Once they click Set up your stream, they'll be prompted to set their basic search criteria. Lastly, they'll be able to fine-tune the criteria. Once they click Let's Go, they'll be all set. Now your client will get the fastest listing notifications in the industry, based on criteria they've set up themselves.